Why, that speck is as small as the head of a pin. A person on that one there never has been. Wah! You're the biggest blamed fool in the jungle of Noah, and I don't care who I tell. The biggest blamed fool in the jungle of Noah, and I think so as well. Maybe I'm nasty, maybe I'm cruel, but you're the biggest blamed fool in the jungle of Noah.
It's true, please believe me. I tell you sincerely. My ears are quite keen and I heard them quite clearly. I really know that there's a person down there. What's more, maybe 2, even 3, even 4.
R-E-S-B-E-C-K. Oh, please take that speck away!